Here we are at our newest listing. Where are we, Jeff?
We are actually right around the corner from our house over here in Eastgate, super close to the Eastgate Park, Navy Golf Course. Fantastic location.
This is the place to be. We've got amazing 4th of July block parties. Neighbors all know and love each other. This house is super special. It is a Windsor floor plan, the biggest of the 5 Eastgate floor plans, and it has all the upgrades. Open concept, family room addition, a dining room addition, smooth ceilings, recessed lighting, updated interior doors. We're so excited for you to check it out.
Come on in.
Let's play it how you like. How does it make you feel? Or you wanna change? I'll be whatever, what you like. We can dance, you got to move tonight. Stars are watching us in the sky. I wanna last it forever. It's a sexy smile, looking forward to see you. I hope I won't lose control. Love you every night, no checking the time. Just us loving you all night long. I can let you go, baby. It's the right we already know, and we feel it. I really do understand the truth. We can't go any road. Need you now. Let's change the clothes we haven't tried.
We hope you enjoyed this stunning, beautifully remodeled Eastgate home. We saw what did we see on the corner in this awesome neighborhood on our way here, Jeff?
Oh yeah, a lemonade stand. Good old fashioned lemonade stand.
Eastgate is a throwback. The community really feels like you're back in the 60s when it was built. This listing is the creme de la creme. We really hope you come see it for yourself. If you'd like to, please leave a comment below or contact us directly. Thank you so much for watching.
And remember, this home is the furthest thing from a lemon you can get. Like what I did there.
I like it.
Bye
I
for
like it
now.
a lot.
Hope I will lose control.